Wait, that was the wrong piece.
Yeah. No, it wasn't.
Oh, you gotta, a mohawk, you're only gonna shave like this.
What?
You gotta leave this section, don't shave that part. No, I just said don't shave right there.
I can do whatever I want.
She can do whatever she wants.
Shoot.
All right, do you know what this is? If you guessed that this is a razor to cut hair with, you're right. And normally I'd have a professional do it, but this time I'm gonna have Julie do it. And she is 6 years old, and she's gonna cut my hair however she wants. All right, let's get started. I gotta get this so I don't have hair all over me.
You should take your shirt off.
No. Now I'm going to.
Okay, come here. Just don't cut my eyebrows.
What?
Just go.
Okay.
Julie.
How's it going? Doing good? Can you make it into a pony? I really want a cutie mark, like in My Little Ponies.
You can do a mohawk, Julie?
Yeah. He's gonna have a mohawk.
Oh, good.
You gotta, a mohawk, you're only gonna shave like this.
What?
You gotta leave this section, don't shave that part. No, I just said don't shave right there.
I can do whatever I want.
She can do whatever she wants.
Shoot.
How many dads let their 6-year-olds cut your hair? You are so spoiled. I never got to cut my dad's hair.
Because he won't let you.
He wouldn't let me.
Looks so good, Julie.
Doing good. I can feel that it's just, I'm gonna be amazing.
It's a good cutie mark.
Good.
That big patch right there.
So we've always told Julie, you never play with scissors and never cut your own hair or someone else's hair. Only your aunt can cut your hair. But she gets to break the rule this time. I kind of want to know what it looks like.
You're gonna see a picture.
So, you know that movie Thor Ragnarok where he's about to go fight Hulk and he gets his hair cut?
Now don't you move. My hands aren't as steady as they used to be.
By Odin's beard, you shall not cut my hair, lest you feel the wrath of the mighty Thor. Please, kind sir, do not cut my hair. No! No!
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Lord of Thunder.
I think I'm going for that haircut. Can you do that, Julie? Just say yes.
Wait, what? They let me break the law. I didn't want to break the law. I was kind of scared when I was first turning it on.
Yeah.
Is it looking like Thor?
Yes.
Do I look like Thor?
Yeah, with the poofy hair.
You gotta get around his ear too. You gotta pull that down. Yep.
Hey, yeah.
Scared me that the battery was gonna die, and then I was gonna have to walk around like this for a day till it charged.
You didn't shave this stuff over here.
Yes, I did.
Oh, look, it's still down.
Oh,
You gotta get that. Oh, perfect. See, that's what you want.
what if I just went?
What if you spit on my face this morning?
Almost done. Can I save right here?
No.
Okay, now I'm going to do the mohawk.
Time for the mohawk.
If Aunt Heidi was here, she would help me do the mohawk. The back is the most thing I need to do. Oh, if we would
That or just use your hands and...
come it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, perfect.
I'm gonna down. It's not a mohawk.
Mohawk. All right, let's shave it all off.
No.
Yeah, let's do it.
So, if we had scissors, I could cut right here, and then I could make a perfect
Oh, well, I have scissors. Right here, look. Look at those fancy scissors. Yeah, cut that off.
Cutting time.
Oh no.
Wait, that was the wrong piece.
Yeah? No, it wasn't.
Oh.
Right there.
Okay. Those are some sharp scissors, Julie.
I don't care.
Oh, perfect.
Just gonna top here. I see.
Perfect.
But I'll hit the mohawk.
I thought
Well, we
we're,
want the
we're
mohawk to
shaving
go
the
off. We're
mohawk
just
off.
shaving it off now.
No.
Yes.
I don't want you to be bald.
I won't be bald. It'll grow back. Bald never grows back.
But there we go. On my horrible mohawk. Don't you dare!
I'm not. I'm smoothing it out. You got a big. You got that looks really good. See that big hole right there? That's just what we want.
There we go.
All right.
All done.
I highly recommend her.
I'm gonna ruin the mohawk.
Ah!
Did you see that?
Don't drop the camera. You got a video.
We should have had it facing the other way. Her face. Oh, poor Julie. Do you want to
That's
do it?
going bald!
But you know the good thing about hair
What?
is it grows back.
It's never gonna grow back.
I should leave it like that. Come here, look at this, Julie.
Look
Look at this little Obi-Wan Kenobi
You know what?
ponytail
We're
thingy.
gonna go and shave it.
We are?
Yeah.
Can I shave it?
No.
Oh.
Because guess what you did? You shaved my mohawk.
Mm.
So fluffy. So fluffy.
Oh, that feels so good.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, this is the final product. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, it's very bald.
Baldy. Well, at least I won't have to cut my hair for like 2 months. So, but thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, and I'm hungry, by the way. That it makes me exhausted.